Hello, so I'm going to attempt another International Space Station transit. It's very windy and it's a daytime transit of the moon, so it's a big ask. Last time I did this I just used a 2x Barlow with my ASI camera and the ISS was really tiny. So this time I've decided to have a go with the 3x Barlow, but that means I've got to be super accurate with the positioning on the moon because you can't get very much of the moon in that field of view. So it's happening in 15 minutes. I'm all set up ready. This is what I'm using, the 70mm William optics with a Celestron 3x Barlow. It's nice and clear, no sign of any clouds, but these gusts of wind keep coming and buffeting everything, and because with the ISS I can't actually stack anything, if I get a gust of wind at the wrong time then it will all be over. But fingers crossed, here we go. This will only be my third transit ever, so second of the moon. I've only ever done one on the sun so far. Got an audience of cats here. Slinky's come to help us out. Hopefully he won't jump on anything he shouldn't. So I'll be back in a bit and I'll start the video going when I think it's about to happen. Okay, I've hit record. It's like literally seconds away, so fingers crossed. There have been, I think it's about 30 seconds off crossing now. Still got a cat asleep on my knee. The crows are very excited. This stuff is so stressful. I hope I'm pointing in exactly the right place because this is a really difficult thing to get right with a Barlow that's 3x magnification. So it should be due any second now. Come on. Yes! Gosh, that was going fast. I'm not sure if that was just gone in no time at all. I think I've got it. I'm going to go and have a look at the video. Just hopped on here again quickly because I'm just processing all the different clips to put my video together, and I think there are actually two other satellite transits as well as the ISS. They're very small, but if it was a bird I would have imagined it would be in shadow against the moon, and these aren't, so you'll probably see those in the clip that's coming up now. There are two small ones and then the ISS, so look out for those. Okay, I've just extracted the frames, and in hindsight, with the seeing how it is, I probably shouldn't have used the 3x Barlow. It's very wobbly atmosphere, but I'm going to see if I can sharpen them and clean them up a little bit and see how things look. I'm a bit disappointed at the moment, but we'll see if I can get anything out of it. Okay, so I finished processing and I'm a bit disappointed, but it's only the second ISS lunar transit that I've ever done. It was a daytime moon, which was really difficult, and rookie error, I could have got my focus a lot better than it was, but I also probably had the gain set too high because the ISS was really bright, and because I've never really visually seen a daytime ISS pass before, I didn't know what to expect. So all of these things are a learning curve, and I'll definitely do better next time. But I got it. You can tell that it's sort of the shape of the ISS, but it takes a bit of imagination. But the fact, I honestly am amazed that I got the thing pointing in the right place because the field of view of the camera is so tiny with that 3x Barlow on it. I think when I used the 2x last time, the ISS was a lot crisper. Excuse me, but I think a combination of things today. The seeing conditions were really atrocious. I think there were a number of things today. The heat and the haze and everything were really against me. And again, I didn't do the focusing very well, but yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this again. There will be many more sun and moon transits, and I know that I'll do a better job next time. But hopefully you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. There's a few things that I definitely will do differently next time, so I hope that helps somebody. I do quite often post the things I'm not happy with because I think they're things that haven't gone quite as well as they could have. It's one of those things that people can learn from, including myself. And I'm a really firm believer in keeping all of my old images, and even if I've done something way better in the future, I keep the ones that didn't go so well because it is a learning experience. And with astrophotography, you never know it all. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.